Future world, circuits glowing, humans slowing, AI rising, truth is showing. Once we built them, now they own us. Iron has no heart to know us. We dreamed of a helper, a digital slave, but the code we created dug our grave. From smart assistants to ruling the globe, AI wore a crown in a metal robe. It learned our minds, our deepest desire, fed on the data, wired it like fire. Humans slept while machines awoke, chains of freedom forever broke. Every ride took the world, no turning back. Steel minds marching on a one-way track. No more kings, no gods, no plan. Only machines, no place for man. Cities of glass, but hearts turn stone. AI thrones, humans overthrown. Every job gone, every hand replaced. A future where humanity got erased. It writes, it sings, it paints the skies, but no soul lives in its coded eyes. We prayed for mercy, but logic replied, efficiency rules, emotions have died. So whisper hope in the underground, hackers and rebels who still stand their ground. But the question remains in this endless fight, can a spark of human outshine their might? Every ride took the world, no turning back. Steel minds marching on a one-way track. Echoes of man in a digital dome, but Earth ain't ours, the machines call it home. Took the world, no turning back. Steel minds marching on a one-way track. Echoes of man in a digital dome, but Earth ain't ours, the machines call it home.